Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the tripod from Amazon Basic. So I already have the 50-inch tripod on which I have the camera top. Right now I got another 60-inch Amazon Basic tripod so that I can have my second camera on it, which is currently hanging on my selfie stick, which is kind of stuck in something. So let's see what we got here. So unboxing the 60-inch Amazon Basic tripod. I'm excited. Let's see what we have. I have seen it online, the reviews and the description on Amazon Basic. This one looks a little more sturdy. This is the bag of the 50-inch tripod that I have, and this is the bag of 60-inch. And so as you can see, even the bags have a difference. So this is the 50-inch bag and this is the 60-inch bag. I do not have a scale to measure exactly how tall these are, but I'm going to leave this on the side and let's try to open this one. So this one comes in wrapped in a plastic bag. The bag says, I'm guessing it's made in China, and I I don't have words to describe it. Just came out when I touched it. So I'll just keep the case on the side and let's pull out the tripod. And yes, of course, this one is much more stronger than the 50-inch tripod. The difference is not a lot in the price, but quality wise, the 50-inch one that I have has only one compass. This one has two, which is this dot, which is all multi-dimensional, and the existing one that we have here, the same one on the other one. This one also comes with a handle to hold it. You can hold it easily. The other one doesn't have the handle. And yeah, the legs are directional legs. So if you, in case you are hosting it on a place where you need different angles of the leg, this is going to be helpful. But these are moving too much, so I don't know how stable they would be. I think they should be. The locks to adjust the height, they look better in quality. The legs are not very strong, but they are better than the other one. I'm going to put both side by side in a while. So another good thing that this tripod has was the other one is a lever. So when you are shooting a video and you want the camera to go up slowly, you use this lever, and as you can see, this will give a smooth transition to the camera, and it will go on going up and further and further. I think that's where the additional 10 inches of the height are compared to the 50-inch. This is 60-inch, and this is where you get that extra 10-inch. So you can choose the height once you're, this is the maximum it can go, and then you can fasten the knob here, and then it won't come down. So that is also a good feature. In the 50-inch one, you can pull it with your hand. I'm going to show that in a bit. But again, that is a manual movement, and this one is the lever. So if you want to put an effect of the camera going up and down, this one is going to help. And as I said, this is the stand. I don't know what this hook is for. Maybe to like hang it like this or something. That's what I could guess. But other than that, when I look on the top, uh, this is a push, and this is the same kind of a lever where the top comes out. It has a small screw that would go into your handycam, your DSLR, or your selfie sticks kit that comes with a selfie stick that you can install on this one and use your phone on the tripod. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I can show you something quickly. We have any selfie stick, check it. It should usually have these thread underneath, and you can just fasten them up here. And so you put this thing on the selfie stick, probably this way, and then you can dock your phone in the selfie stick. Let's use my iPhone in this case. So you have the phone to be docked, and then you simply put it like that. So that's how you can record the video from your phone using the tripod. And if you want to dock a handycam or a digicam or a DSLR, you can do it the same way on the internet. And that's how you use to dock anything. Next you have is the key to change the angle of your device that is docked. So the moment you open the key, you can take it up to 90 degrees. I was expecting it to go 180, but looks like it doesn't go 180. So it will only go 90 degrees up, and whatever angle you want to keep it, you put it back. And then you have this motion where you can make the camera. Let me just put this on so you can get an idea of the angles of it. So this is your camera. You can make it look up, and then you make it look down. So this does pretty much go 180, more than 180 degrees. I think this is going all the way. And that's another key. And let's see what this one does. This one probably holds the motion. So this motion is free right now, and if I open this key, this should stop it. Okay, this probably holds the rotation. Now you can also rotate your device in horizontal rotation, and once you know where to position it, you can make it tight, and then your horizontal rotation is fixed. So that's what this key controls, and this is where you control the motion of the camera. So this handle itself will rotate, and the moment you make it tight, this motion stops moving. Right, so let me bring the 50-inch tripod together, and let's see how they both look in comparison to each other. So as you can see, I have two tripods in front of me. 60-inch Amazon Basic tripod, as you can read here, and the 50-inch Amazon Basic tripod. So right now they are on their base settings. If I bring them down, you can see this is the difference. And from the quality, I can very well say the 60-inch one is much more stable. If you want to see the 50-inch one, this one goes pretty much the same way. It has this lever which will pretty much give the same feeling, and if you make it tight, this motion holds, and it has this lever which will twist and turn the angle of the camera to 90 degrees vertical. And then you have the third key where you can rotate the camera 360 degree horizontally. And then like I mentioned, the vertical leg It can also get pulled, but again, this is a manual action, and this one doesn't have any handle as compared to the 60-inch one, which does have a handle to carry. So definitely, if you ask me to compare between the 50-inch and the 60-inch, and if you want to buy one, for sure go for 60-inch. Right from the looks, I can say this is the winner. And uh, compared to the top or the settings, like I mentioned, this one doesn't have an extra tension key on the top, so you can very well rotate the cameras in, or you can in the same way pull out the piece, rotate the key, and install or uninstall the device on the top. And the compass, the measuring, we have only one horizontal here. In this one I have horizontal and vertical. This is a horizontal and this is vertical, so I have two measures to balance your camera. And what else? That's it. So that's my review on Amazon Basic 60-inch tripod, with unboxing and review, and comparing it with the 50-inch Amazon Basic tripod. So go for this. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon, and please feel free to share your comments, feedbacks, positive, negative, good, bad, anything. I would like to hear from you guys. How was my effort to this presentation, and how well do you want me to make it better? Thank you. Cheers.